All right, here's another more general keyword tool. Another great tool for determining popular keywords is GoofBid's new eBay Pulse tool. Now, eBay for many, many years had their eBay Pulse page, which, and I said had, unfortunately, they took it down several months ago, and I'm not sure what their reason was. But eBay users depended on the eBay Pulse tool because eBay Pulse page showed the most popular items on eBay by category. So you could go into your category, find the 10 most popular items there, click on one of those, and it would then sort by subcategory. And by finding those most popular items, you could pull some of the best keywords out of that and use them in your title. And by doing that, it was just a powerful way to add the most searched keywords to your title. Okay, well, GoofBid is working to recreate that tool. It's at goofbid.com. And when you go there, the first thing you want to do is be sure that you're in the correct country for your particular eBay area. So as you can see, the default is going to be the UK because GoofBid is located in the UK. So if you're in the US, you're going to want to change this to obviously United States, and it'll show a little American flag there. Once you do that, hover over eBay Tools, and you'll see over here it gives you the eBay Pulse tool. When you click on that, you'll be at their eBay Pulse page. Now, it's not as robust as eBay's was, but they're still in beta at the moment of this recording, so I'm hoping that they develop it and really grow it to be just like eBay's eBay Pulse tool. One thing that I want to mention here, and one thing I alluded to when we did the video part, was to not keyword spam. It's very important. What is keyword spam? It's using super popular brand names or keywords to lure people to your listing, even though your listing does not include products from those brand names or keywords. Sometimes people will use a search phrase like this in their title. They'll say, like, let's say they're advertising a handbag, right, or a purse, a lady's purse. And they'll say the name of the purse, the brand name, and then they'll say like Gucci. Or they'll say like Gucci, comma, Dolce & Gabbana, comma, and a few other designer names, right? And the reason they do that is because they know a lot of people are searching those designer brands, and they want to draw traffic from those designer brands to their non-designer item. That is called keyword spamming, and it's really against eBay's terms of service. And it could also result in getting your account suspended. So never do this. Do not ever keyword spam. That is, do not ever use the name or brand name of a far more popular item in your title if you're not actually selling that item. That will definitely get your account at least restricted and possibly suspended. So we don't want to do that.